Hello everyone, welcome to another helpful video. If sound or speaker is not working on Realme P3 Lite, then this video is for you. Today we will fix sound or speaker issues. So before we begin, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's start today's video.